Welcome to Learners Math TV. Ipakikita ko sa inyo ngayon kung papaano mag-square ng binomials. Okay? Dito sa ating example number 1, the quantity x minus 2 is squared. One of the special product is a square of binomials. So meron tayong mga step na dapat nating sundin para mas madali. Una, yung step number 1 natin is square the first term. Nasaan ba yung first term na tinutukoy? From our given square of binomial, ayan, ang first term natin ay yung x. So, ibig sabihin, x times x equals x squared. Then, ang second step natin is twice the product of first and second term. So again, from that given binomial, ang first term ay x, ang second term ay 2. Okay? Kasali dyan itong negative, itong minus sign. So that is negative 2 kapag minultiply mo yan because we have to get the product first. Negative 2 times x is equal to negative 2x. Pagkatapos mong makuha ang product, sabi dito, twice the product. So, ibig sabihin, yung product na yan, ito twice mo. Okay, paano yan? Twice means you are going to multiply it by 2. Ayan. So, magiging 2 times negative 2x, that is equivalent to a negative 4x. And then, yung pangatlong step, square the second term. Ano naman yung second term? Okay, ang second term from that given binomial ay yung 2 or negative 2. So it means to say that is negative 2 squared. Negative 2 times negative 2 or negative 2 squared is equal to a positive 4. So ibig sabihin, eto na ngayon ang equivalent ng square of this given binomial. Now, for our second example, a quantity x plus 6 squared. Step 1, square the first term. Ayan. So, x times x is equal to x squared. Second step, twice the product of first and second term. So, 6 times x is 6x. Then, anong gagawin? Sa product, twice times 2. So, 2 times 6x is equal to, ayan, 12x. Ayan, 12x. Then, yung pangatlo, square the second term. Okay, the second term is 6. That's why it is 6 squared. It is equivalent to 36 because 6 times 6 is equal to 36. So, ito ngayon, yung value o yung equivalent ng square of this given binomial, quantity x plus 6 squared. For our last example, a quantity x minus 9 squared. Ngayon, sa pag-aaral ng math, hindi sapat na nanonood ka lang. So, bago mo ipagpatuloy ang video na ito, maaari mong isolve muna sa iyong sarili. And then afterwards, saka mo ituloy na panoorin para malaman mo kung nakuha mo mula sa ating example 1 and example 2. So, ituloy na natin. Step 1. Square the first term. From that given binomial, first term ay x, then that is x squared. And then, twice the product of first and second term. First term is x, second term is 9, or that is negative 9. Then, kunin ang product, that is negative 9x, because negative 9 times x is negative 9x. So, since yan ang product, ito twice natin. Twice means multiply it by 2. Ayan. So, 2 times the negative 9x is equivalent to negative 18x. Ayan. Then, pangatlong step is square the second term. So, the second term is negative 9. Ayan. So, therefore, that is square of negative 9. A negative 9 times a negative 9 is equal to a positive 81. So, therefore, ito ngayon ang equivalent ng ating square of a given binomial x or quantity x minus 9 squared. O laging tatandaan, sa math ay hindi maaari na nanonood ka lamang. Upang maging mahusay, dapat lagi kang handa na mag-practice o magsanay.